Welcome back to Car Reviews. Today, we're bringing you something bold, powerful, and impossible to ignore, the PowerCore X Machine 2025. This isn't just another excavator. It's a statement of strength, innovation, and futuristic engineering, all packed into one stunning yellow beast. Whether you're into heavy-duty machinery or just love seeing mechanical perfection, this is a review you don't want to miss. Let's start with the looks. The PowerCore X 2025 comes in a vibrant industrial yellow finish that immediately grabs attention. But this isn't just for show. The paint is a high-durability, weather-resistant coating designed to handle the harshest work environments. When placed in a luxury showroom, this machine stands tall like a modern-day sculpture, strong, aggressive, and beautiful in its own industrial way. Under the hood, the PowerCore X is a different animal altogether. Powered by a next-gen hybrid engine, it delivers raw digging power with far greater fuel efficiency than older models. The torque output is unmatched in its class, giving it the muscle to handle anything from rock crushing to deep earth moving. And thanks to its upgraded hydraulic system, every movement is smoother, faster, and more precise. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the smart tech integration. The PowerCore X now comes equipped with a full AI-assisted control interface. The operator sits in a climate-controlled cockpit with 360-degree smart glass views, touchscreen controls, and predictive terrain analysis. This allows real-time adjustments while working, boosting both safety and efficiency. The machine practically thinks ahead, making every operation more intuitive. Let's talk comfort. You wouldn't expect luxury inside a machine like this, but PowerCore X breaks the rules. The driver's cabin is fitted with memory foam seating, digital display panels, voice command assistance, and even Bluetooth connectivity. It's not just a workspace, it's a command center designed for long hours of productivity without fatigue. Another impressive aspect is the modular build. The entire machine is built with quick swap modules, from the bucket to the tracks to the arm extensions. This means less downtime, easier maintenance, and the ability to adapt the excavator for different job types in a matter of hours. For industrial contractors, this feature alone is a game changer. Safety also gets a major upgrade. Multiple camera systems, smart proximity sensors, and automatic emergency shutdowns are built into the machine. The AI system constantly monitors surroundings, minimizing the risk of accidents, especially in high-traffic work zones. The PowerCore X 2025 isn't just a workhorse, it's a glimpse into the future of construction technology. It's strong, it's smart, and it's built to dominate. Whether it's shaping the earth or standing proud in a showroom under spotlights, this machine earns respect. That's all for today's review on Car Reviews. If you enjoyed this look at the PowerCore X 2025, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful machines and futuristic engineering coming your way, only here on Car Reviews.